68 Karmann Ghia 4-speed, and it says it goes to 90. We're gonna do a cold start on this little old car. A green convertible. Nice car there. Karmann Ghia. Did you paint this?
I did the touch-up work on it.
Okay. And do a cold start on it, or semi-cold start. Got the dualies here. Air cooled. Nice. Alright, close it up. That's a little warmed up. That's sweet. Going to hide. I just pulled the engine out of that, and that's one of those auto stick Volkswagens. 73. Got another Volkswagen engine. Goes to that one. And he's doing a little welding. On my exhaust. Don't look at the pretty blue light. Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Only got the heat just about right.
Nice and hot. So he's using some gas welding. This is 7025. Sweet. Very nice little setup. There he is welding out there. Going for it. I'm under my car. Just succumbing to the elements. I've been making holes, filling in holes, I mean. How do you like that, boys? I'm gonna tar around that hole, and that license plate should do a good job after it's been riveted in and tarred around. And we're get this off here. Working on this here. The fart bomb. Lubricated up my brakes. That's exciting. There's the tool that cuts it. It's like a snipper tool. Cuts license plates up really nice. And I get a new gas filter. Oh, these are the salad days. It's actually like killing. You see, it's running down the. When he welds, it kills the power. Well, I'm gonna get this finished up. Getting it all fixed up for inspection time. Hey, tubulars. So, my truck's getting a present today. I got some, in Bradford, I got some Bradford pipe, right? That's what you have to get, with a adapter. And that's going on the exhaust. Couple new clamps. Those are, let me see, 9.5 millimeter something, no, 2 inch, that's what they are. And this is the old header pipe that was on the other truck, because I replaced, this morning a friend, my buddy, replaced the gaskets that went around here, because my other friend put 2 gaskets on one side and 1 gasket on the other. Down here, I'll show you the magic. You guys ready for the magic? Look at this! Wow, huh? I just used that roofing paint, and I painted my whole rear axle mixed with motor oil to prevent it from rusting. I thought that looks pretty sexy. I got a new exhaust underneath, and the gaskets are new, but you can see the pipe itself is lousy. So, yeah, it's coming along. Rust! So this is the underside of my truck. Anyhow, I replaced one shock and not the other. And I have right here, I'm going to add some more Valvoline 90 weight. I think it's 80-90. But I can't get this bolt off. I need a 21 millimeter for it, and I just don't have one. And I've used the torch, and I've started to strip it. So gonna have to wait till I get that. Anyhow, there's a update of what's going on underneath my 1986 Toyota truck, and I'm gonna start putting that pipe on right now. My other exhaust is right at the end of its life, and there's my pipe, complete with a piece of a motorcycle peg holding it together, and it's ready to fail in lots of ways. It was starting to leak, and I ran this for years, since I had this truck since 2005, but finally I think it's curtains for this junk. It's going to be all new under there. Brand new pipe, brand new exhaust. The exhaust I dropped, as you can see right down there. All new, like a new car, at least part of a new car. Didn't work out, so I cut that with a hacksaw, and then I notched it. I'm going to bend these in, and I'm going to weld it with the MIG to this, so I only have one connection. And this actually will fit really good. Maybe I'll do a couple tacks on the piece closer to the new pipe and just have one clamp holding this whole sucker together. I think that'll work cool. I got my stinger right there and a bunch of tacks on that, and I've bent this around and I'm ready to weld this now. Welded on this section, and I welded it around here. I covered up all those spots that where I made the indentation, right? And I don't know, this is just flux core. I didn't get too crazy with it, but it should hold, I think, and not have to use a clamp, so that's cool. Alright, time to put it on the truck.